Hi guys! So it's been a while. I am literally the worst about keeping you guys updated and making videos consistently. I'm just a busy person. So I wanted to update you guys really quickly though. I've had a lot going on. So as I told you last year, I had a store and the store was going well. Unfortunately, it didn't really pan out with me and the business partner that I had. But if you do keep up with me somewhat, you'll know that I have a blog, and I've had a blog for years now. And that's primarily where I spend the majority of my time. And with that blog, I write about tarot and astrology, numerology, palmistry, and all those types of things. And for the last year, I have actually been creating an online tarot reading class, how to read tarot cards online. It's a course online that I am about to release and offer. And I actually made it so that there is a demo version of it so that people can try it before they buy it. And I'm thinking about perhaps doing it where you can buy sections of it at a time, because I really want it to be available for everyone, for anyone. The class is almost complete. I have people right now testing my class. Before I put it out to the public, of course, I want people to give me their feedback and tell me what they think and whether or not I should change anything before I release it and sell it. So yeah, that's what's happening with me. So if any of you are interested in learning tarot, by all means, go check out the demo version. You can find that on thelucidlabyrinth.com or inlakenslabyrinth.com. And my class is going to be a bit different than other tarot card reading classes. And the reason that I say that is because in my class, I implement pretty much everything. Although the class is not about astrology, it's not about numerology, it's not about colors or chakras or any of that. Those things are included in many of the sections within the class. And the reason why is because in tarot, there are so many things that can be found within the cards. For example, the suites of the tarot deck are based on elements, also symbols. Those elements are obviously water, fire, air, and earth. And so this is closely related to the signs within the zodiac. For example, the air signs are Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. So that means that the Suite of Swords is linked to the air sign and air. And so the symbolism of air and those signs will all be linked by those things. So that's kind of how it works. And likewise, in numerology, each of the numbers have a certain symbolic meaning. And so that is what the numbers of the cards are based on as well. And then it'll also do the same thing in the class with colors and the chakras and how you can see health, physical energy, mental, emotional energy, spiritual energy within the body through the chakras, and how those are linked to the cards as well. Also in the class, we talk about who is allowed to read tarot, where tarot is legal, where there are regulations on tarot, some of the moral codes that you might want to follow if you're reading tarot. And my favorite part, and one of the biggest parts of this series or this class, is the psychology or the connection to consciousness that tarot has. Although tarot is known and is quite a spiritual pursuit of divination, it is also closely tied to psychology. And this is based on what are known as archetypes. So archetypes are very, very deeply ingrained into the collective unconsciousness, which is basically something that we're all connected through. Let's say you see someone sleeping on a couch and they've got their eyes closed, they're lying down. It's quite clear that they are at rest or sleeping. You don't need a language to understand what's happening. You don't need culture or religion or any of those things in order to understand this image. It's not necessarily an image that's created, it's an image that just is. It's an image that you can find anywhere, in anything almost. The mother, for example, a woman holding a baby, she's wiping its tears, she's feeding it, that's a mother. And we all know that that's a mother. There's no question or doubt about it, that's a mother. And so this is something that's deeply psychologically ingrained, and also something that is within the realms of our consciousness, and more specifically our collective unconsciousness. Perhaps most of us are not aware that we do possess this innately, but it's still there nonetheless, and it's there within all of us. This is how psychology and analytical psychology and consciousness, which is often thought of being as spiritual, are connected. And so tarot is a really great way to visualize how that is even a possibility, which is super cool. So that is why that is one of my favorite parts about tarot. Good to see you guys. Welcome to Laken's Labyrinth, where we've got it all for you. I write about tarot and numerology and tarot, and did I already say tarot? Welcome to the Lucid Labyrinth, just waiting for you to try. We've got it all. Come visit us at www.thelucidlabyrinth.com. Who did that? Stop it. Just kidding, there's no one here. It's just me. I wouldn't be recording myself and driving if there were other people in the car. Jeez. Have a good day, guys.